Good morning, everybody. It's a new week, almost getting near end of the year. Let me just do this one. The last 2 weeks is gonna be even more interesting. There is tax losses. There is PCA report coming in the end of the Friday this week, and it's lots of things going on. So let's see what's going on. Futures, we got green futures. One thing to keep in mind, any name that is on a run up, until just keep in mind, until the daily MACD is not dead cross, it can continue going on, like Boeing and many other names that just did a non-stop run up, like AMG, AVGO, and AMD and stuff like that. But when the daily MACD dead crosses, then you gotta be cautious, find a good place to dip buy it, because the trend is up and every dip is getting bought. So let's look at ES pre-market right now. 5 is still upward, 15:30, 1 hour is still upward, but 4 hour we got dark blue bar. Daily, weekly is still trend up, so every dip is a buy. NQ 15 is up, 30 MACD is on the edge to golden cross or divert down. 1 hour, 4 hours still pointing down, but not so much bullish. But daily, weekly is still very bullish. Dow Jones, new all-time high last week. Weekly is just super bullish. I tell you what, this bull trend is not gonna end until major indexes or major names weekly MACD dead cross. Once that happens, then we can say, okay, the trend is gonna change. Dow Jones doesn't look that much interesting pre-market. RUT is still green. What's interesting is RUT last few weeks when it popped big, it did a big pullback and then went up again. But this time it's not giving a big pullback and it's still very bullish on daily and weekly. And a lot of money is flowing into the small caps. TNX zero point 0.5 higher. That's not letting market fly up right now. Keep an eye on TNX. This pulls back. Market can fly up. Key level to watch is 38.75. Below that, next target is 37.44. If it goes above 40.42, not gonna be good for market. Trend is still down on the weekly and daily and 4 hour. And monthly MACD is dead cross on TNX, which is a very good thing for rates. Rates going lower. DXY, nothing special pre-market. Trend still down on the weekly, but holding up between 101 and 102 for now. 101.914 and 102.795 breaks. Either one is strong, then can have a bigger effect on market. VIX is green. 4 hour daily is upward, so it's a little bit alarming, so be cautious. There can be some pullbacks. If 1307 passes anytime this week, gotta be cautious, can have a pullback. But until then, the levels to watch is 1135, 12.1 and 1307. And whenever it goes lower, market can rip up higher. Whenever it goes higher, be cautious, the pullbacks can come. BTC, very red. ETH, Ethereum is very red too. BTC pre-market, actually showing some sign of recovery, but 4 hour is still downward until we don't get a yellow bar on the TTM squeeze or 4 hour MACD golden cross. Trend is still down a little bit there. If it breaks 40k, then it can be worrying there. Apple, Apple got a news of a Chinese banning phone again. Aftermarket, the news came in on Friday. I pulled it back, so 195.84. If it can't hold there, we're looking at 194.71, 194. If 194 breaks, we're looking at 193, 192, and 191.7. Wait for the 1 hour MACD golden cross for a dip buy. Until then, the trend is down. 4 hours downward, and we'll see how the daily is going to open up. Amazon is really interesting. It's finally above 155.55. It tried to break it on Friday, but it couldn't. And right now it's opening above it. I love that the 4 hours golden cross and daily MACD is curved up. So its next level to watch is 151.94. If you see 151.94 passes at open, let me fix this one. If you see jumps at open and 151.94 passes, if you see a jump at open, get it as fast as you can. Next target is 151.94, 153.06, 154.18. And I saw a lot of flows coming in on Friday at 154 passes this week. We're looking at 155, 157.82. Keep an eye on Amazon. If again goes below 155.55 and then goes back to 148, can fail again. Failed many times to break 155, 150.55 level last few few weeks, so we'll see if this time is going to be a valid run up. Nvidia very strong last week. It's all about 493. If 493.88 passes, we're looking at 495, 498, 501.37. Pre-market looking upward, not a little bit. Daily MACD is golden cross, so trend is up there. But if it gets pulled back, 489, 487 and lower level are supports. A trend is up there. AVGO, crazy run up there last week, 4 hours dead cross, so it's possible some pullbacks come there. Keep an eye on the key levels, 1101, 1115, 1138, 1162. It's possible some up and down this week until we see a 1 hour golden cross and for another run up, but the trend is still very up on daily and weekly, but I don't like that the 4 hour and 1 hour is downward for now. BABA, 1 point lower. I love that the daily MACD is golden cross. Weekly we got a yellow bar, so trend is coming up there. Deep buyers are stepping in and loading up. 4 hour we got dark blue bar, so probably 73 right now is support there. If 75.37 passes this week, we're looking at 76.38, 78.01, 79.65. Netflix 4 points higher. I didn't see any news, but looks very interesting pre-market. 15.31 hour, 4 hour MACDs are all bullish, but the 15 and 30 we got a dark blue bar, so it's all about 476, 72. If it passes, we're looking at 479, 484, 88. I love that the 4 hours golden cross, so it's possible. If 479 last week high was 482, so if 482 passes, 484, that's the next target, and above that we can go near 500. Meta, daily MACD is near golden crossing on Friday. It's all about 335, 338. Passes that one, can run up to 341, 345 today. But pre-market nothing exciting showing on the intraday actions, so it needs to break 335 or 331 for bigger actions there. Tesla, nothing exciting pre-market. 4 hour we got a dark blue bar, so 4 hour TTM squeeze. If it goes below 252, it can go retest lower level. Again, not sure about this one, how it's going to react at the open. So if below 252, retest 248, 246. If it jumps up 254, 256, 54. If 256 passes, we can go for a crazy run up, 257, 258, 260, 41. My longer target for this one is 270, 293. Microsoft, pre-market almost flat. 4 hours not golden cross, don't have a yellow bar, so no power for run up yet. 371.28 key level to jump up. 373, 375, 76. If it goes below 368 again, 366, 365.29 support there. Google was getting a little bit stronger on Friday, but pre-market doesn't show that much strength. 130.271, that's a key level for run up to 134 and higher level. If it goes below 131.82, again supports 130.04 and lower level. 4 hour looking bullish. Daily MACD got a yellow bar, so it's possible getting ready for a jump up. And AMD, it's all about 140 mental level. 140.15 if it passes, we're looking at 140.76, 142.72. 4 hours still in the dead cross mode on the MACD, but RSI on the daily and 4 hours still in the overbought zone, which is power zone, so it's still have a chance for some upgrade or whatever news comes in. It can have a monster jump up, but for now is in the rest mode. Boeing, crazy monster jump up last week. Right now it's cooling down, and daily MACD is still bullish, daily same, but the 4 hour is curving down and we get a dark blue bar. Pre-market 5 to 30 is downward, so 261.15, it's a critical level. If it can jump off of it, we're going back to 264 and high of Friday, but if it passes it, we're looking at going retest these lower level, 257, 255, 69. SPY 470 opening flat. It's all about 471, 77. If it can pass that one, 473, 475, 477. If it can hold 470, supports are 468, 467. Below 467, those are the next support there. QQQ, all about 40409 or 40566. Passes either one, can make a bigger move. Pre-market direction not clear. 406, 407, 408.99, those are the higher level. Lower level 404, 402, 401, 54. That's pretty much it on the major names. PNW, 2 points lower, still downtrend. 297 is a big support there. Roku downgraded, 93.05 if you can hold it, 92.09. breaks that one, we're looking for a retest of 80s, 88.9, 84.43. Until the 1 hour, 4 hour is not golden cross, trend is down there. Even though you got a jump up on Thursday, it gave it all the way on Friday. SMCI 3 points higher. It's all about 306.3. Past that one, 308, 312, 316, 72. What else you got here? Costco 5 points higher, new all-time high. That one, the next major levels I have is 675, 686, 697. What else? Neo, I got a money from Abu Dhabi, so 876 passes. We're looking at 903, 936. Those are next major. X going crazy. Seems like everybody wants to get this name. This one is just getting higher bid and higher and higher. Seems like maybe real estate or construction is gonna boom next 10 years or 5 years. That's why everybody wants to get into steel. Adobe canceled a deal, so that one got a jump up there too. Next target is 607, 606.1. If it passes that one, 614, 625. Thank you so much for tuning in and have a beautiful day. Oh, LI. Okay. Somebody asked for LI. To LI pre-market. I mean, in general, weekly and daily is still downward. Daily MACD is a little bit curving up. Pre-market, nothing special. 4 hours dead crossing. So, not too much familiar with this name. 34.26 is a big support there. Need to get back to 40 to get a run up, but still wait for the weekly MACD solid golden cross for a run up on this name, or daily MACD at least golden cross. But trend in general is down for still there. Yeah. All right. Thank you. Have a good one.